Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Google Workspace as a CRM. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, navigate to the Google Workspace homepage. Once there, click on Admin Console to go to your account to proceed. This is where the magic starts to happen. Now look for the menu icon on the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon reveals a drop-down list of all the tools available at your disposal. From this menu, select Contacts. This is where your transition into using Google Workspace as a CRM begins. Next, click on Create Contact. This allows you to manually enter information for a new contact. It's a simple step, but crucial for adding new leads or clients into your CRM system. If you have multiple contacts to add, click on Create Multiple Contacts to add them more efficiently. For importing contacts in bulk, click on Import Contacts. This feature is incredibly useful if you're transitioning from another CRM system or have a list of contacts saved in a spreadsheet. You'll then need to click on Select File to browse and choose the CSV file containing your leads from your computer. Finally, once you've selected the correct file, click on Import. This action will populate your Google contacts with all the names, emails, and other pertinent details from your file. Congratulations! You've just taken a significant step in using Google Workspace as a CRM system. And that's it. So that is how you can use Google Workspace as a CRM. So that's all for this video. Thanks.